freestyle. Here we go. Freestyle. Count it, hands up. Faster. Get to every shot. Good. Speed kills. Speed drills. There we go. Speed kills. Speed drills. Double it. Show. There we go. Show. Take it. Don't be scared, bro. Come on. Get with it. Steve. There we go. Very nice. Anything you want. Step into the bones. There you go. Just side. Way. You're ready to block every time. Way. Good. T. Work your step side to side. Work it. There we go. In. There we go. Step through. Whip. There you go. Hurt. Shot. It hurt. Shot. Punch in the body. That's nice. Deep. Good. Now work touch hands and then knee. He comes forward. You think you're going to touch again and then knee. Like a pop. Touch again. Pop. Touch. That's it right there. Yeah. Protect this one. Protect that one. There you go. Step forward. Long enough. Breathe. That's when you breathe. That's when you breathe. Faster, body. That's good. That's good. Like that there. Good. Walk. Left to the side. Take it too long. I already got grabbed. I'm grabbing already. Put that thing in the middle. Very good, very nice fake. After your elbow, come forward, hand control. On you, hands up. Arm, walk, hand. I don't want you just to pop and then go back to guard. Pop, keep hands up. Make it a habit. You close range now. Like, so you make it a habit to keep the hands up. All right, make it a habit. Breathe. You don't even have to just throw it, but you need to get control of the aim. You close. Then let your elbow me. And I don't do nothing. Okay, so you can protect yourself after. Good. Push. Tía, by the way. Good. Tía, by the way. Tía, by the way. Inside. Inside. Hold it. There you go. Hold it inside. Good. Kick punch. Side and straight here. Good. Side. Not good, T. Tía, breathe. Breathe. Kick and hold sometimes. Shut up. Very nice. Pull back. Snatch it back, snatch it. Snatch back, set it up. Set it up, Femur. Set it up. Snatch it. Yep, snatch it, set it up, Femur. Set it up. See that? Come on over there. Right. You need to set it up, bro.
Yes, so we're training. Saturday, I trained in the morning. We'll come back and train again. I'm having a very good camp. I had a little knee injury, but 400%, I'm ready to go.
They jab it over the top sometimes. Over the guard. There you go. There you go. If you're that close, you have to turn more to get him back. You got power, but you got to really turn and get him back. Be close. That's it, yeah. Push it back with it. That's like that, man. Come on, son. Breathe, breathe. There we go. Long range. Yeah, good. Long range. Yeah, good. Good. Big in the knee anytime. Big in the knee. Bye. That's beautiful. Again, I want it harder. Big in the knee. Side. I'll take that. You don't need that. Stretch. Good. Snatch up. There you go. That's it. Pull it back. T. Let's hold the back up there. T. Again. Good. 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 Snatch anytime. There you go. Floating. Snatch to the floating. Come on. Snatch to the floating. He might try to grab it. Float it. When you run forward, then T. There we go. Practice again. Set it up. E up. Make it fancy. Femur. There you go. Up. T. You took long enough. Good. Very nice. E. Throw it. There we go. Good. Good. Hey. Step back and play. There you go. Very nice. Oh, wait. I'll take that. Walking deep. Get side, boy. Faster. That's the body. Breathe. Boy, we're to get the king. Too much power sometimes. Deep a little bit. Break. 4 breaths.
When I'm thinking between, is I'm trying to catch my breath. That's all I'm thinking about is catching my breath. It's the only thing. My goal for the training camp is just getting stronger. Yeah, because I know I'm already good cardio-wise. So I'm just ready to go.
Oh, very nice. first. You step back and jab. Shot, 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 shot. There we go. Again. Yeah, very good. Very nice. Yeah, oh, good. Yeah, let me know what that was coming. Yeah, that one work all the time.
I tried to do the.
Yeah, that one work all the time. Use that one. That work all the time. Boom. I like that. I like that. Everybody shot. Very good. T. Block away. I take from the jab. There we go. Full counter. It's about time. You don't know when it's coming. Balance. All right, let me see. Go slow. Pull out. There you go. Good. Remember, he gonna go back and go across. That's a powerful shot. So let's go slow one more time. Pull out. Go back. Yep. Pull, walk it down. Walk it down. Let's go slow. Pull up. Bam. Walk it down. Now do it. Yeah. Or jump in knee. Jump knee. Rear. Lead. Yeah, I'll tell you. Jump. That's it.